Today is Tuesday, March the 19th, and you know that MotiveWave have released a beta version of their powerful software, and it's 6.0 beta. I believe it's on version E now. So I'm going to show you how to install that and still keep MotiveWave 5 running. So you can see right here, I've got MotiveWave 5 running, and I've got this particular desktop configuration where I've got these tabs that I've set up that help me to stay on top of a bunch of stuff. And I want to recreate that exactly in version 6, but be able to go back to 5 if I have to. And I've been through versions 3, 4, and 5 with the folks of MotiveWave, and I've never had a problem upgrading to a newest version. But it's always good to be able to go backwards, right? Just in case. You probably put too much work into creating your own workspaces. So look at the difference between the icons. We see down here, this is the old MotiveWave 5.0 icon, and over here is the new MotiveWave 6. So I'm going to show you how to create a new MotiveWave 6.0 desktop and restore everything from your old version 5. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to MotiveWave's download page, and you're going to download the beta for the Mac or for Windows. I'm using the Mac. And once that's ready, you open it. Now what I've done is I have created in my Finder a separate area in Applications for MotiveWave Beta 6, and I've put the MotiveWave file into this special folder to keep it quite different from MotiveWave version 5 up here. So when you're opening your download, let me just click on that. Come on. Where are we? It's probably already open somewhere. There we go. It's opening now. So this is 6 beta 1E. So it's opening this DMG file, or you're going to have an exe file if you are a Windows person. And then it's going to show you, do you want to drag it into Applications? Well, I don't, because I don't want to overwrite my existing MotiveWave. So I'm going to Control-click, double-click, to open up a new Applications window, and I'm going to create MotiveWave Beta 6, and then I'm going to drag that. Let me do that for you. Let me do that. So here we've got MotiveWave Beta 6. Bring up all my windows. Where is my... Oh, come on now. Here's my MotiveWave. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it into my new folder. Net effect is I have a new oh, come on. Come on. Let's open up Finder. I've got a lot of versions of Finder open up here. Well, anyhow, go into Applications. There's my new MotiveWave. I'm going to double click on it. Now I've already created a new workspace. It's going to recognize my old workspace as well. When it opens up, it's going to say select a workspace. It's going to find my Mac 21, my old one, and this is my new one, Beta 6. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Options, Workspaces, and you're going to create a new workspace. New workspace, and you can call it My Demo 6. And you're going to add a connection. You're going to pick your service, and you're going to put in your username and your password. And once that's done, you're going to say add a connection. Then it's going to tell you that in order to use that workspace, you need to restart Motive Wave. So you exit Motive Wave, you start again, you come to this spot, you open up your, well, I'm going to show you. Let's do it. Options, workspaces, new workspace, my demo 6, add a connection. Well, I'm not going to do that because then I'd have to go through logging in with my password and my account at TD Ameritrade, and sorry, I don't know you well enough. So I've created beta 6. You're going to open up your new workspace and you're going to see that I already have everything here. And how did I get it here? I went to File, Restore, and I'm going to restore it from a backup that I've created from version 5. Now, I didn't show you this before, but you need to do this. You need to go File, Backup, and create a version 5 backup. And notice where it's saved. And then create it. Then go back to your version 6 and just browse until you find that file. And mine is in the cloud. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to say open. And when it opens, it's going to unzip everything. And there will be everything that you had in version 5 sitting in version 6. If you have any questions, just ask me.